Reading Pioneers presents The Last Puppy by Frank Asch. I was the last of Mama's 9 puppies. The last to eat from Mama. The last to open my eyes. The last to learn to drink milk from a saucer. And the last one into the doghouse at night. I was the last puppy. One day, Mama's owner put up a sign. Puppies for sale. The next day, a little girl came and took one of us away. That night, I couldn't sleep very well. I kept wondering, when will my turn come? Will I be the last puppy again? In the morning, a little boy came to choose a puppy. "Take me! Take me!" I barked. "That puppy's too noisy," he said, and picked another puppy instead. Later that day, a nice lady from the city almost picked me. But when I tried to jump into her lap, she fell backwards right into our bowl of milk. When a farmer and his family came to choose a puppy, I got so excited when the farmer picked me up. I bit him on the nose. They picked 2 puppies, leaving 4 of us behind. Soon, there were just 3 of us. Then 2. Then just me, the last puppy. But one day, my turn came too. Big hands picked me up and gave me to a little boy. We got into a car and drove away. The little boy held me on his lap. He put his face down close to mine, and I licked him on the nose. He laughed and said, "You know what? You're my first puppy." Thank you everyone for joining us today for this story, The Last Puppy. I wanted to upload this story on the 1st of January because it helps give a different perspective on things that are going on in life. And why not start with the new year? The last puppy was always thinking of itself as last. The last in the litter, the last to be picked. But it was the first puppy for that lucky young boy. So for this new year, I hope you guys are able to see different perspectives and enjoy the new year. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, share it with your friends and family so then they can see the same lesson that you've learned today. If you have any other suggestions for future videos, send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, or comment below your thoughts about the video. Until the next upload, here are a couple of other dog-related videos that I think you may enjoy. Well, unfortunately, that is all the time we have for today. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.